I never know what wine to pair with food. The holidays are right around the corner. How do we pick the perfect wine?
You're going to pick the perfect wine with the perfect party. Our new wine distributor, she's here in Connecticut hoping to bring some great selections. We'll be right back. Cheers, my love. Cheers.
Ooh,
We'd like you to meet. Oh.
Riedel? I don't know.
You can hear it.
It's still dinging.
It's beautiful.
We'd like you to meet Jillian. She's the co-founder of Cellar Fine Wines right here in Connecticut. Jillian Sims. So you spent a whole bunch of time learning about wine, drinking wines out in the Northwest, and now you came back to your hometown and you're bringing new wines to Connecticut.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's the focus of what we're doing, is to try to bring wines from our little logo is Taste the Place.
Taste the Place.
We want you to be able to experience the essence of a place by tasting the wine.
So you go out to Oregon, you go out to these, and you drink wine. Are you bombed constantly? How does that happen?
Definitely not, actually.
No.
Most of the time when you're learning to make wine, you are too tired to drink anything.
Seriously, it's like working in a bakery. You get tired of eating all the stuff.
Oh,
so you really brought some beautiful wines here today, and you're going to talk to us about. And first of all, you have an event coming up.
We have an event, yes, on the 12th, on Tuesday. We're calling it an open cellar food, fashion, and wine showcase. And so J. Hilburn Clothing for Men, Custom Clothing for Men will be there at the Nauman Gallery in North Branford.
Nice.
We're going to have Worth Clothing for Women, Perfect Parties, and Elizabeth's Cafe will be there, and Fromage Fine Foods will be there with some cheeses.
I love Fromage.
Yeah.
I love them. That's terrific.
So the holidays are coming up, and I think we get intimidated. What makes a good wine for a Thanksgiving dinner, a lot of people having turkey, or a holiday party? What can we buy and be confident?
So I actually brought these wines, which will take you right through your holiday meal.
Okay.
I brought these first three are from Bodecker Cellars. They are located in Portland, Oregon. The fruit comes from the Willamette Valley, and this is their Pinot Blanc. It's a real crowd-pleasing wine, a lot of peach and melon flavor, but it's not sweet. So it's perfect for your appetizers, for your cheeses. Yep, that's that one. So you can smell the fruitiness, but when you taste it, it won't be sweet. So that's a real crowd-pleasing wine there.
It is good. I usually would order a Pinot Grigio because I like really light tasting.
This
so
is a
Pinot Blanc
has a lovely bouquet.
Pinot Gris.
What I'm talking about.
Are we allowed to drink this?
Absolutely. And so for the main course, Pinot Noir is actually a great pairing with turkey.
Really?
I brought two different Pinot Noirs. These are a husband and wife winemaking team, Stuart Bodecker and Athena Pappas. They each make their own wine each year, and you're tasting the Stuart right now. It's a little bit lighter in body, a little more red fruit, cherry, raspberry, whereas the Athena is a little more earth and spice, a little more dark
This is the
plum.
Athena?
This
Same thing, main course?
And they're both wonderful with turkey. So this is a great choice for the main course, and it's really fun to taste them side by side. So
I like the wife's better.
Yeah.
Something for everybody. That's funny.
We have the same taste buds.
We were born with the same taste buds. All right, now this, I have been getting Prosecco because it seems to be a cloud pleaser, and I keep just buying the common ones out there. This is like Prosecco, but it's something different.
This is a sparkling dessert wine. I know maybe some of you have heard of Moscato. That seems to be popular these days. I like to call this Moscato for grown-ups. You can smell what it's called, Fior di Arancio.
Julian will be there Tuesday, November 12th from 5 to 7. Thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Cheers. Have a great day.
Cheers.